Hello viewers, you're welcome to my channel once again. So today we want to resolve this. We have 16 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x to be equal to 272. So let's recall that 16 is equal to 4 to the power of 2. So we'll be replacing this with this to have 4 to the power of 2 further raised to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x, or equal to 272. So from here, when we have a to the power of m further raised to the power of n, this is the same as a to the power of n further raised to the power of m, which is the same as a to the power of m times n. So applying this law of indices over here, we have 4 to the power of x further raised to the power of 2. So we interchange the powers here, plus 4 to the power of x, or equal to 272. Now we can name this 4 to the power of x to be equal to t. So wherever we see this, we'll impute this. We then have t squared plus t is equal to 272. So moving this constant over to the left, we have t squared plus t minus 272 to be equal to 0. So we have a quadratic equation now, and we can resolve it using the factorization method to have t squared plus 17t minus 16t minus 272 is equal to 0. So when we factor out the t from here, we have t plus 17, and we have minus 16 times t plus 17, or equal to 0. So we have t plus 17 and t minus 16 to be equal to 0. This simply means that t plus 17 is equal to 0 and t minus 16 is equal to 0. So from here we have that t is equal to minus 17. Let's name this t1, and our t2 is equal to 16. But let's recall that 4 to the power of x is equal to t. So when t is equal to minus 17, we have 4 to the power of x, which is equal to minus 17. So this is rejected because it's a negative number. So when t is equal to 16, we have 4 to the power of x to be equal to 16. So we have 4 to the power of x, which is equal to 4 to the power of 2. So 16 is equal to 4 to the power of 2. So our x is equal to 2. So we have x to be equal to 2, but the question is 16 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x is equal to 272. So we'll be imputing the value of x as 2 to have 16 to the power of 2 plus 4 to the power of 2 to be equal to 272. So 16 squared will give us 16 times 16 plus we have 4 to the power of 2, which is 16, is equal to 272. So 16 times 16 we have is 256 plus 16 equal to 272. 256 16 we have 272 is equal to 272. So the left hand side equals the right hand side. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.